What about silicone? Is it safe for us? I know that people will say silicone is good, it'll make you look good, but over time, is it true that it seeps out, or are these just stories and myths that we see in movies and people talking from lack of information?
Okay, so silicone anywhere else than in an implant is dangerous. Okay, so silicone nowadays in cosmetic surgery, we just use silicone implants for the breasts and maybe for the buttocks. I personally don't use buttock implants. I just use fat, but for the breast, silicone implants are very well established. They are now as safe as they can be. There have been scares that it can cause cancer.
Yes.
Those scares have obviously been proven wrong. However, if you really dig into the literature, in the last 5 years, there have been cases of very rare type of lymphoma, which they think might be associated with breast implants. However, it's a very, very small percentage.
Yes.
So silicone nowadays, if it's a reputable company, it is considered safe. I mean, it's been around since the 60s, yes. And the implants have improved over the years. We're now at the 6th, 7th generation of breast implants. However, as with any procedure, it can have long-term complications like capsular fibrosis, where your scar tissue forms around the implant, and then can give you a distorted breast, in which case you just need to have it taken out and maybe replace it with a new one. So generally, they're safe. It's been done probably hundreds of thousands of times around the world. But with any procedure, you also have to know the risks.
Would you recommend anyone who has breast implants, especially if they've had silicone, to give birth?
Yeah.
Or rather get pregnant?
Because the question I would ask after is it safe to breastfeed?
Yeah, that I think has been proven that is totally safe.
Okay.
There's no seeping of silicone as long as the implant is intact into the tissue or into the breast milk. And a lot of patients or women who've had breast implants can have lots of babies and lots of breastfeeding